Depending on the brand you have, depends on if you have aluminum, steel, or just kind of aluminized metal. So depending on what you have depends on how it's formed and depends on where it cracks at. So a Carrier will crack differently than a Goodman or a Train because they're made differently. Now what the Goodman product does is it actually reinforces the weak side. So if you see their heat exchanger, it actually goes like this. It's like a tube, but they reinforce all the curves because what happens is every time you curve, that metal gets weak. It's a weak spot. So usually what you see cracks or failures in, or anything where the rust or crack would be in those weak spots, which would be the curves, the edges, because it's not reinforced. That's one of the reasons why Goodman gives a lifetime warranty on their heat exchanger for a gas furnace, is because it doesn't fail because it has this reinforced edge on each of the weak spots. So as it gets hot, of course it expands. As it gets cool, it contracts. So you get enough of this going on, eventually it's going to get weak enough to crack. So it's always a good idea to have a maintenance done, just to check all this out to make sure you're not in that spot where there is a crack and you could be having a problem.